Wow, look at that. So, grabing jacuzzi naman yan. Parang wave pool. Ay, grabe. Solid. Solid. Bago kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, dinayo po namin ang Candaba, Pampanga upang bisitahin ang GNA Private Resort and Spa. Complex resort that has 5 resorts inside. Imagine, for only 15,000 pesos only, it can accommodate each resort up until 30 persons at least, no? So, pwede pang mag-extend yun. In this video, we're gonna show you the amenities, ano ba yung mga pwedeng gawin dito. Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! So, ayun nga guys, umpisahan natin sa kanilang resort number 1. Tara! Wow! So, ayun guys, pagpasok natin dito, you will notice yung napakalawak na area fit for multi-use. Actually, pwede daw itong gawing events place up until 200 person ata, no? Pwedeng i-arrange dito. But as of now, this is how it's used. Meron tayo ditong tables and chairs, may mga benches, no? May mga solo tables and chairs. Dito sa section na to, ito yung kanilang entertainment area, sofa, and video okay. Passing through this door, so dito guys, nandito yung pinaka-main swimming pool natin. More tables and chairs. Added amenity, yung kanilang jacuzzi. Meron din tayo dito guys na sauna or sauna. Dito sa section na to, ang ating main swimming pool, we have rooms dito sa taas, couple of rooms dito sa baba, and then another room sa taas, ayun pa. So this resort can accommodate up until 30 person. Para sa akin, for 15,000 pesos, napakalaki. Ang dami nang ma-accommodate dito. Ayun guys, so dito naman tayo sa resort number 2. Still, we're gonna explore the place. Samahan niyo ako, tara. So pagpasok niyo dito guys, again, you're gonna be greeted with parang the common area. This is their version of the entertainment area. Meron tayo ditong TV, video okay naman dito sa side na to. Good thing here, enclosed siya, no? So kahit na medyo napalakas yung birit ninyo, hindi masyadong dinig. And then coming out, on my right side is the pool area. And then dito naman sa left side ko is the dining area. So look at the table, no? Sobrang dami, up until 30 person din ang kayang i-accommodate ng resort na ito. Right side, dito sa right side ko, nandito yung mga rooms natin. Meron tayong 3 rooms dito. Each room can accommodate up until 10 persons. So 10, 20, 30. And then more entertainment amenities. So meron tayong billiards. At the back is the kitchen area. Dito sa side na to is the swimming pool area. Sa likod nito is mga showers and CRs and yung sauna. Welcome to resort number 3, and as soon as you enter dito sa ating resort number 3, you're gonna be greeted with the billiards table, and then dito na rin guys yung ating entertainment section in which you can watch your online streaming contents. Meron din tayo ditong dining area, and then pagpasok natin dito guys, yung kanilang entertainment. So dito guys, nandito yung video okay natin. Again, it's good that this is actually enclosed. So coming out is the swimming pool. So the first section ng swimming pool natin is the jacuzzi, bubble jet pool, more tables and chairs for your relaxation. Dito na yung pinaka main swimming pool area natin. Habang pag-ikot natin dito guys, mapapansin nyo may section dito for the rooms. So, pasukan natin, tara. Shower and the toilet area dito sa likod ko. And then, you have an access from the swimming pool to the rooms. So, this is the first room. And then, coming out here are the other rooms. Ayan. So, another room here and another room here. Just in case, magkulangan po tayo ng mga rooms for accommodation, may available rooms pa po sila dun sa bandang harapan. So you can actually extend yung sleeping areas natin. So, this is resort number 4. Para sa akin guys, mas malaki yung kanilang entertainment room. This is gonna be their sports room. Meron din tayong entertainment dito with their video okay. Long table for their dining. And then, pagpasok nyo dito guys is another room for dining. Mas malaki to. I think kung doon mainly for video okay, this one is for your streaming content naman. Coming out sa room na yon is the swimming pool area. So, meron tayo ditong swing, more tables for outdoor dining, and of course, the swimming pool area. So, dito guys, yung mga shower, CR, and toilet natin nandito. On my left, dito naman, yung mga accommodation rooms natin. So, we have 3 rooms. All of them can fit up until 10 persons. At least 30 guys pwedeng mag-share dito. Example tayo ng isang room. Finally, resort number 5. This is located near the gate area. Ayan guys. And in here, malapit na rin siya dito sa ating parking area. So pasok tayo. Meron tayong parang lobby or welcome area. This can also be as your dining as well. So you're gonna be greeted with the pool area. It has a small size. Although yung depth natin dito is up until 5 feet din, no? You have your sauna. So we have 4 rooms. Para sa akin guys, comparing it with the other rooms, yung mga room dito parang modern na yung mga design nila. Wow, look at that. So, grabing jacuzzi naman yan. Parang wave pool. Ay, grabe. Solid. Solid. That is their jacuzzi. Moving forward, guys, ito yung kanilang dining area. On my right is more rooms. And then in here, ito yung kanilang billiards table. And then further right ko naman is yung kanilang entertainment in which you can watch your favorite streaming contents. At my back is the kitchen. I think para sa akin, this is the smallest in terms of size area. But kung ano yung mga amenities ng mga previous resorts natin, meron din itong resort number 5. I think what stands out is yung kanilang wave pool. At ayun nga guys, again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. If you are interested to know more about this, grabe, imagine isang resort complex dito sa Candaba, Pampanga in which you can have 5 choices ng mga resort. If you are interested to know more about this, check out the fan page we're gonna be including. And make sure na mag-transact po tayo sa kanilang page or the number we're gonna include dito sa post na to so that you can avoid scams. Congratulations, Candaba, Pampanga. You have a treasure gem. Yan ang GNA Private Resort and Spa. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye, guys.